Hello, hello everyone. In today's class, we look the questions of the examinations like CBSE and JEE, IIT JEE on topic like set and relation and function. Okay, हम लोग PY को देखेंगे CBSE और JEE के जो लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चंस है सेट और रिलेशन एंड फंक्शंस के रिलेटेड. So let's start. So read the first question. What was the first question? We have. What the first question? This is not question number 15. This is question number 1. Okay. Question number 1. So what is the question? First is we have fx 3x minus 5, and to find f of inverse x. Okay. And to find f of inverse x. An issue? Wait a minute. So can you tell me how to proceed in this question? In this type of question. And this in JEE, IIT come in 1 marker. In CBSE it can be in 2 marker. Okay. 1 to 2 marker. Okay. So in this type of question, we actually assume हम ऐसे इन टाइप के क्वेश्चन में assume करते हैं actually fx को like this. Assume f of x equals to y. Okay. And what this implies? This implies x is equal to f inverse y. Okay. In our case, and this is simple question, most simple question of the class, simplest question of the class. Okay. And in this case, f of x equal to y is what? It is 3x minus 5. Okay. So see, in this type of question, whenever they told to find inverse, we always try to convert x in terms of y completely. Either it be normal equation, polynomial, or trigonometric equation. Okay. All question have same approach and same procedure of solving. Okay. So in this question, we know that y equal to 3x minus 5. So what this can be written as y plus 5 equal to 3x, and further y plus 5 x can be written as y plus 5 upon 3. Any doubt till here? Okay. And we know that what we know, our x is f inverse y, है ना? So in this question, what can we take? In the place of f inverse y, it is y plus 5 by 3. Y plus 5 by 3. Okay. And if we convert in f, then it becomes f inverse x plus 5 by 3, which is our required solution. Why we are written x in the place of y? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell the reason behind it? Can anyone tell the reason behind it? Because we are now using f of inverse x here. So so we are introducing here variable x. So we convert y into x. Okay. So this was the solution, final solution. Take 1 minute of pause and try to analyze what we have done in this question and how we proceed. And this can become in 1 to 2 marks. Okay. That is it. Try to analyze. Then we proceed in the next question. Okay. All clear in this question? Shall we proceed to the next question? Any doubt in this? Okay, we are moving to the next question. This is not question number 10. This is question number 2. This is also easy. Again, 2 marks, not more than this. Question number 2. And we have given what given? Given function f from R to R, where fx is ex. And what is R here? Set of real numbers. Okay. Done. So can we assume two values, any values from real number, like suppose assume any two values x1 comma x2 from real number, set of real numbers R, okay, which belongs to R. Then such that fx1 equal to fx2, है ना? We are supposing any two value x1 oblique x2 from set of real number R, such that what is the case? Fx1 equal to fx2. Okay. So can we write like this again? ex1 ex2. Can we write like this? Any doubt here? Or now can we take both the side log of ex1 log of fx equal to ex is 1 1. What is the property of 1 1 function? Can anybody tell me? So simply the property of 1 1 is said 1 1 की property यही कहती है कि अगर f of x is equal to f of y for any x comma y belongs to R, and this becomes x equal to y, then in this case the function f is 1 1 function. Simple, है ना? Now let f of x Ax equals to 1. This can be also written as Ax equal to y. Now take again both the side log of Ax log of y. So in the next slide, what can we write? Can anybody guess? We can write yes. Right. Right. X log of 4. है ना? What we know? We know in this case uh, negative real numbers has no pre-image. Why? Because log is not defined for the negative values of real number which belongs to real number. Okay, so can we conclude? So we can conclude that our given function f is not onto, है ना? And in previous slide, what is it is 1 1. From here it is 1 1. This implies so from with the help of these two, finally what can we conclude? Can anyone tell me? We can conclude f is 1 1, but f is not onto. And this is our final conclusion or final solution. Again, this question can come in 3 to 4 marks. And out till here. Try to analyze for 2 to 3 minutes in this question what we have done. And then we proceed 4 marks. Then we proceed to next question. Try to analyze what we have done in this question. And then we proceed to the next question. There is one message, Kumar, okay, student. Hello sir, I will show you last class. It was good. Can you just give me your personal contact, please? Okay, after class. Okay. No issue. First, say this question. Is it clear? Everything in this question. Then we proceed to the next question. Okay. All clear in this question? Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? So can we again review that there is a given function f from R to R and our fx equal to ex. R is the real number which of and again we assumed any value x1 x2 belongs to R fx1, okay, and we assumed fx1 equal to fx2 and this equal to this and this, so that f is 1 1, है ना? Anyone guess how to do in this, how to proceed in this question? We have given x is equals to x square minus 1 upon x plus 1. X belongs to real numbers, set of real numbers. Now we have to find minimum value of f of x. Okay, we have to find this. Okay, so how can you proceed? Can anyone tell me? In this question, this is also simple question, not very much difficult. Anyone have idea how to proceed in this question? Can anyone tell me how to proceed in this question? Okay, now see the board. So we have fx equal to x square minus 1 x square plus 1. So can we write fx like this? Which can be written like this, plus 1 minus 2 1 x square plus 1. Any doubt till here? Can we write like this? Which can be further written like this, x square plus 1, taking this side, x square plus 1, which can be written as 1 minus 2 x square plus 1. Any doubt till this step? No? Now see the main part. X square plus 1 will be always greater than 1 for any value of x. Suppose x equal to 1. Take anything. You can take negative also, minus 1. Then what this become? 2, again greater than 1. X minus 2. What this becomes? 5, again greater than 1. X 0. You take any x, है what becomes? Not 0. For x not equal to 0, है here also x not equal to 0. For x not equal to 0, can we write 1? Again 2 greater than 1. Anything, so on, है let me erase. It was just rough part that I want to show you. Now, comes here. How can we say 1 by x square plus 1 is less than 1? Is it? if we include x equal to 0, then this can be written like this. Okay, so it is true, which further can be written as plus 1 less than equal to 2. Is it? Any issue till here? Is it correct? So can we conclude that what can we conclude? Can anyone tell me? Minus 2 x square plus 1. Is it? Any doubt till here? Now adding 1 both the side. Is it? Is it true or not? Not. First tell me. First tell me. Anything? Any doubt till here? And try to see what we have done to reach here. Everyone. What we have done in this part. So can we write like this? Again, this is mine. Our here, this term and this term is same. Okay. So can we write like this? 1 minus 2 x square plus 1 is greater than 1 minus 2, which further can be written as 1 minus 2 x square plus 1 greater than equal to minus 1. है ना? And what is this? This is nothing but okay. Or we also say that wait a minute. And this number can we write like this? Also less than 1. So in conclusion, can we also write like this? 1 minus 2 x square plus 1 is less than 1 and greater and equal to minus 1. Any doubt here? Okay. And what is this? This is fx. So in the next slide, okay, can anyone tell me why we have written that this value is always less than 1? See, in the right hand slide, why we have written less than 1? So this is nothing but fx, x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, now you put any value of x. Suppose taken 2. So what is this? 3, 5, again less than 1. Suppose we have taken x equal to 0. Okay, in this case what is comes? Minus 1, again less than 1. X equals to suppose we taken 1. So what will be the result? 1 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, 0 by 2, 0. Again 0 less than 1. Now we can take, suppose we have taken minus 2 or minus 3. So what do we get? 9 minus 1, 9 plus 1, which is 8 by 10. Again less than 1. Okay, here we also get the value less than 1. So in next slide, what can we write? Can we write like this? Our f of x is greater and equal to minus 1 and less than 1. Okay. and f of x is what? It is what? 1 minus 2. Sorry. Fx is 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1, है ना? And this is what? This is just the expression of this equation, x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay. So finally, what we conclude? So finally, we can conclude what? We can conclude what? Minimum value. Minimum value of our given function fx equal to x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, or minimum value is minus 1 is equal to minus 1, which is our final solution. Any doubt till here? Now try to analyze what we have done in this question, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. In this question, around 4 marks. This question can come in 4 marks. Okay. So you just try to visualize, okay, how to approach the particular question in particular style. There is no such rocket science, okay, in this part. You can done easily. Now take a time of 2 minutes or take a pause of 2 minutes and try to visualize what we have done in this question. Then you move again to next question. Okay, try to visualize how we have done this question. Then you move to next question. Okay. What we have done in this question. Try to visualize what we have done in this question. Able to clear? क्लियर हो रहा है कि हम क्वेश्चन को अप्रोच कैसे कर रहे हैं, किस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को कैसे अप्रोच करना है. हर टाइप का अप्रोच डिफरेंट है, ठीक है ना. चाहे वो मतलब सेट थ्योरी हो, रियल एंड फंक्शन हो, कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस हो, डिफरेंशियल हो, इंटीग्रल हो, मैट्रिसेस हो, डिटर्मिनेंट हो, कुछ कोई भी चैप्टर हो, है ना, मैक्सिमम मिनिमम निकालना हो, प्रोबेबिलिटी हो, स्टैटिस्टिक्स हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट है ना, उसको एक पर्टिकुलर अप्रोच है हर क्वेश्चन को और हर कॉन्सेप्ट को अप्रोच करने का, ठीक है। So shall we proceed to the next question? If this was clear. Question number 4th of the class. Okay. Any doubt? So in this question, what we have done? We have fx, x square minus 1, x square plus 1, uh, where x belongs to our set of real numbers, and we have to find the minimum value of fx. Okay. And fx, we have written fx in the terms of x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1, x square plus 1 minus 2, and we have converted in such a way so that we can equate, so that we can convert in inequality in the terms of minimum and maximum value, है ना, and we start deriving, then we get 1 minus 2 x square plus 1 greater than and equal to minus 1 and less than 1. And in the next slide, we have seen that fx is this, fx is this, and we finally concluded what concluded, that the minimum value of fx is minus 1. This, that is it. Now next question. This is not 13.1, this is 14 question. Fourth question, sorry. This is the fourth question of the day. Okay. This question, what we have to find? We have to find the range of function f. Okay. What is fx? Fx is answer. Now we start answer. Fx is a cos bx plus c. Okay. What do we have to find? To find range. Okay. To find range of the function. And what is range? It is the image of the function. Okay now. So just concept clarity, just for introduction part. If there are two set x, y, and we have defined function f, and in case we have defined function f from x to y, then x becomes domain and y becomes range. Okay, get out here. And in this case, what is fx? A cos bx plus c plus d, I think, plus d also. And for this function, we have to find the range. So shall we proceed? So f of x is a cos bx plus c plus d. Now we know that cos of theta is what? Greater than equal to minus 1 and less than and equal to 1. For, can we write like this for cos theta? So from here what we have proceed? The minimum value is minus 1 and maximum value is 1. This is minimum value. Okay. And this is maximum value. Any doubt till here? Okay. And we know that cos theta is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to minus 1. So in this case, minimum value of cos bx plus c is what? It is minus 1, because minimum value of cos theta is minus 1. Okay. Okay. So what can we write? Can you tell, anybody tell me? And we name this as like this. Okay. Okay. So if cos b x plus c becomes minus 1, then from 1 what we obtain? Then 1 can be written as, how this can be written as? This can be written as uh, uh, this can be written as fx is equals to minus a plus d, which is again d minus c. Okay. And maximum value of cos theta is what? 1. So can we write like this? Maximum value of cos bx plus c is 1. So again in this case, then 1 can be written as, how this can be written as? This can be written as fx equals to a plus d. Any doubt till here? Can you write like this? Okay. So the minimum value of our function fx is d minus c. Okay. This is minimum and this is maximum. So can we conclude that range of our function fx is what? D minus a, d plus a. Simple. This is minimum and this is maximum. Okay. There are second approach also that we discuss to solve this question. Okay. First, try to analyze how we have done this part. Then we see second approach. Of doing the same question. Okay. Any doubt till here? If you have any doubt till here, you can tell me. Okay, now see the alternative part of this question, how to solve this question. Okay, alternative part to solve this question. Alternative part to solve this question. Okay. So in this question, f of x is what? A cos bx plus c plus d. Is it? So we know that cos theta is what? Value of maximum and minimum value of cos theta is what? This lies between this minus 1, 1. So can we write like this? So can we write like this? Cos of bx plus c is less than wait a minute, can we write like this, cos bx plus c less than 1, less than and equal to 1, and minus and greater than equal to minus 1. Okay, because again our cos theta is between this, so we are using the same concept. Now multiply both the side by a. So can you write like this, a cos bx plus c less than a. A is positive number here, okay, and if you multiply anything by positive number, the inequality will keep same. Okay, है ना, basic. And it out till here, where a is any, what is positive number. Now adding, now we add. In the first instant, what we have done, here we multiplied, here we multiplied both the sides by a, है ना. And the next step, what we do? In next step, we add d both the sides. Okay, and you should tell here. So what we obtained? Can anyone tell me? A plus d less than equal to a cos of bx plus c plus d less than and equal to a plus d. So what is this? This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value, है ना? This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. And you should tell here. So what is the range? So the range of our रेंज क्या होगा हमारे गिवन फंक्शन का, गिवन फंक्शन fx का range of our given function fx is again close bracket d minus a and d plus a, which is the final solution. Okay, so we have discussed the two approach of solving one question. Okay, two different approach of solving same question. Okay, and you should tell here final solution. This is the final solution. Okay, okay, this can be asked in again in the 4 marks. This is the 4 mark question. Okay, this is 4 marks. This can be asked in 4 marks. Okay, this is. Now try to visualize or analyze what you have done in this question. Then we proceed to the next question. Okay. Completed this part. So shall we move to the next question? Add out till here, all of you. So can you proceed to the next question? Take a 1 minute pause and try to analyze both the slides. Okay, I will keep open this slide for 1 minute and next slide for another 1 minute. Shall we proceed to the next question? So second slide. I'm opening second slide, which is alternative part of the solving question. This is the second slide of our question. Okay. Then we move to the next question. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. This is question number 5th. Okay, this is the question number 5th of our day. Let me change the pen color. So what is here? This is the question number 4th of our day. Now we are moving to the answer part. So can anyone tell, or can anyone visualize how to approach this question? Given f of x equals to square x sin 4x, where x belongs to R, and we have to find f of R. Okay, where R is what? It is a set of real numbers. Done. Okay, are you able to visualize how we can proceed in this question? This can come in the 4 to 5 marks. This is 4 marks. 4 marks is good. Try. How we proceed in this question? Okay, now I'm solving the question. Just see here, focus here. Okay, so in this question we assume, or we suppose y equal to f of x is equals to cos square x sine of 4x. Okay, so can we write like this? Cos square x sine square x into sine square x. Any issue till here? So can we write like this further? Cos square x sine square x 1 minus cos square x. Is it okay? Then again cos square x plus sine square x minus sine square x cos square x. Any issue till here? Any issue? Tell me. Okay, so we know that. What is the formula of sin 2x? Can anyone? It is 2 sin x 2 cos x. Basic part है ना? Where x belongs to real number or set of real numbers actually. Okay, so in this step, next step, can we write like this? Cos square x plus sin square x 2 sin x cos x the whole square. Is it? Any doubt till here? Now we know that. What we know? Sin square x plus cos square x. That's what? 1. So can we write like this? 1 minus, this is sin 2x upon 4. Is it? Any issue till here? Is it? Is it? Tell me. Tell me. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Tell me. So that we can proceed to the part. Okay. Now what we know? Value of sin x is sin theta is sin x. We can assume here sin x is what? It is between 1 to 0. Is between this, or value of sin square x is also between this. So can we say like this? Wait a minute. That value of sin 2x is this between this. Now, so value of sin square 2x square is also between this. And in the next slide, what can we write? Value of sin square 2x by 4 is between this. And I should tell here. Now, multiplying the negatives. Multiply. In the next step, multiply both the sides by minus. Okay. We get this is less than 0, less than equal to 0, minus sin square 2x by 4 less than equal to minus 1 by 4. Any doubt till here? Now just add 1 both the side. Add 1 both the sides. Okay. So can you write like this? This is less than equal to 1 minus sin square 2x by 4, and this is greater than equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So can we write like this? 1 minus sin square x by 4 is 3 by 4. And what is this? What is this? How we express this from which part? From this part. Now we achieved this equation from where? From where? From here. So can we write like can we assume? Can we write like this? F of x is less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So again, rewriting the things, and what we write? It is less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Is it? So finally what we conclude? So the range of the given function is what? Is what? 3 by 4 to 1. And why close interval? Because equality has equal sign also. Inequality has equal sign also. Right? Greater and equal, less than and equal. This is 1. Okay. Comma 1. Therefore, f of x belongs to where? 3 by 4. But in our case, x belongs to from where? X belongs from real number. So can we conclude f of r belongs to 3 by 4, comma 1. This is our final solution. Any doubt till here? Anyone? So this is our what? Final solution, है ना? Is it? Final solution. है ना? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Anyone? So that we can proceed to the next step. Now take a 1 minute time and try to analyze or visualize what we have done in this question. Na? See, again I am telling, application has unique approach. And if you start learning approach, then things become cakewalk for you. It was not a rocket science. This can be asked in 4 marks. Okay. That is it. Not more than this. Okay. So try to analyze how we have done this question. Then I will give a homework to one person. Homework. Okay. One question will be in homework. Shall we proceed to the next question? And this was the homework. Next question will be homework. Okay. Okay. We are moving to the next question. Now, next question. So, next question. This is question number. Not yet. This is homework question, and this is greatest integral function. Okay. For x plus cos of minus pi square x, where x is greatest integral function. Okay. हैंड इन दिस सॉल्यूशन, हैंड दे रहा हूं, ठीक है, इस हैंड को फॉलो करना. ट्राई टू एनालाइज ग्राफ ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. ये स्किप थ्रू. ओके, ट्राई टू एनालाइज द ग्राफ ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. दिस कैन बी सॉल्व्ड. ओके, आफ्टर दिस simple. Okay, so shall we end today's session?